Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Fight Together and Inspire. Today, we're diving into Atomic Habits by James Clear, and I'm excited to share with you 21 atomic habits that can transform your life. Let's get started. The moment you wake up, before the chaos begins, drink a tall glass of water. It jump-starts your metabolism, hydrates your body, and sets a positive tone. Signal to your mind and body to wake up and conquer the day. Feel more alert, energized, and ready. Small changes done consistently lead to remarkable results. Carve out a few minutes each day to immerse yourself in a good book. It doesn't have to be a literary masterpiece, just something that piques your interest. With each page, you'll absorb new information and expand your vocabulary. Imagine yourself a year from now, having read over 3,650 pages. Resist the urge to slump back into your chair after lunch. Instead, lace up your shoes and head outside for a brisk 10-minute walk. Not only will this aid in digestion, but it will also clear your head, boost your energy levels, and combat the afternoon slump. As you walk, pay attention to your surroundings. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells that often go unnoticed. This simple act of mindfulness can do wonders for your mental well-being, reducing stress and increasing feelings of happiness and contentment. Chapter 4. Write down one thing you're grateful for. Before you sleep, reflect on your day and jot down one thing you're grateful for. It could be a warm cup of coffee or a beautiful sunset. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, fostering contentment. Over time, this practice rewires your brain, making you happier and more resilient. Chapter 5. Make your bed every morning. Making your bed each morning sets the tone for a productive and organized day. This simple act creates a sense of order and accomplishment. It's a visual cue to start your day with intention and purpose. Even small actions can ripple through your mindset and environment. Chapter 6. Meditate for 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Just 5 minutes daily can enhance mental clarity, emotional regulation, and well-being. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, de-stressing and cultivating inner peace. Don't worry if your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath, and with practice, you'll find it easier to relax. Chapter 7. Plan your day the night before. Before you wind down for the night, take a few minutes to plan out your schedule for the following day. This simple act of preparation eliminates decision fatigue, reduces stress, and sets you up for a more productive and focused day. By outlining your tasks and prioritizing your commitments, you'll wake up with a clear sense of purpose and direction, ready to tackle your day with confidence and efficiency. Chapter 8. Exercise for 20 minutes daily. Lace up your sneakers, grab your yoga mat, or simply crank up the music and dance around your living room. Engaging in just 20 minutes of daily exercise, no matter how intense, can have a profound impact on your physical and mental health. It's not about achieving a certain physique, it's about moving your body, releasing endorphins, and reaping the countless benefits of regular physical activity. You'll feel more energized, sleep better, and experience a boost in mood and cognitive function. Chapter 9. Limit social media to 30 minutes a day. It's easy to get sucked into the endless scroll of social media. Set a daily limit to free up hours for more meaningful pursuits. Challenge yourself to 30 minutes a day. Use a timer to stay accountable. Avoid mindless scrolling that leaves you drained. Chapter 10. Practice deep breathing. In the midst of a hectic day, take a few moments to pause and practice deep, intentional breaths. Deep breathing is a powerful tool for calming the nervous system, reducing stress, and improving focus. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat this several times, focusing on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Chapter 11. Declutter one area a week. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. Dedicate time each week to declutter one area of your home or workspace. Let go of items that no longer serve you and organize what you need. You'll feel lighter and more focused in a clutter-free environment. Chapter 12. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset, your energy levels, and your overall well-being. Make a conscious effort to cultivate relationships with positive, supportive, and inspiring individuals who uplift you, encourage your growth, and bring out the best in you. Remember, energy is contagious. Choose to spend your time with people who leave you feeling energized, motivated, and inspired. Chapter 13. Set a digital detox day. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel tethered to our devices. Designate one day a week as a digital detox day, a day to unplug from technology and reconnect with yourself, your loved ones, and the world around you. Put away your phone, step away from the computer, and resist the urge to check emails or scroll through social media. Instead, spend time in nature, read a book, engage in hobbies, or simply enjoy the present moment without distractions. Chapter 14. Use a habit tracker. A habit tracker is a powerful tool for staying motivated and accountable to your goals. Whether you prefer a physical planner, a digital app, or a simple spreadsheet, find a system that works for you and track your progress daily. The act of checking off a habit each day provides a visual representation of your commitment and reinforces the positive behavior. It's a tangible reminder of your progress and a source of motivation to keep going. Chapter 15. Create a relaxing evening routine. As the day winds down, create a relaxing evening routine that signals to your mind and body that it's time to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. This could include dimming the lights, taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Avoid screen time in the hour leading up to bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Chapter 16. Make a commitment to lifelong learning by challenging yourself to learn a new skill each month. It doesn't have to be anything major. It could be as simple as learning to cook a new dish, picking up a new hobby, or expanding your knowledge in a particular subject. The act of learning keeps your mind sharp, boosts your confidence, and opens up new possibilities. Embrace a growth mindset and approach each new learning experience with curiosity and enthusiasm. Chapter 17. Before you drift off to sleep, take a few moments to reflect on your day. Review your accomplishments, acknowledge any challenges you faced, and identify areas where you can improve. This simple act of self-reflection allows you to learn from your experiences, celebrate your successes, and make adjustments as needed. Chapter 18. Start each week with a clear sense of purpose by setting weekly goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps and outline the actions you need to take to move closer to your desired outcomes. Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals provides you with a roadmap for success and helps you stay focused and motivated throughout the week. Chapter 19. Listen to educational podcasts. Transform your commute or workout into learning opportunities with educational podcasts. There are podcasts on virtually every topic, from business to health and wellness. Choose topics that interest you and make it a habit to listen daily. Chapter 20. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about cultivating awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting swept away by them. You can practice mindfulness anywhere, anytime, by simply focusing your attention on your breath, your senses, or a simple activity like washing the dishes or walking. Regular mindfulness practice can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation. Chapter 21. Act on your ideas. Ideas are great, but they're meaningless without action. Don't let your ideas languish in the realm of someday. Take that first step, no matter how small, and start turning your ideas into reality. Whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or simply pursuing a new hobby, the key is to take action and keep moving forward, one step at a time. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Outro. Transform your life, one habit at a time. These 21 atomic habits can truly transform your life, one small step at a time. Remember, consistency is key. Which habit will you start today? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring content. Let's fight together and inspire. See you next time.